Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Tron video update for Monday. And there's something I just want to talk about. Tron, it's a very old friend of mine back in the days, like 4 years ago. Right? Maybe in my early days of cryptocurrency, we used to love Tron, man. Tron was everything out there. The network is amazing. Even when now you're sending Tether, we use Tron network because it cost $1 to send. Such an amazing project, but it's just a shame that it never really moved the way it was expected to move. Now, fast forward, I'm just giving you a little bit of a history with Tron. Is that Justin Sun actually left Tron? I don't know if I think I remember. He actually left Tron, okay? The founder left Tron, and he went for the African governments, I guess, to collaborate with them. I don't know why it's pumping, though. I haven't been watching the news, but I'm going to give my technical analysis about Tron. All right, so here we are, and I'm going to tell you why I think that Tron is potentially a leech, and right now on the tradingview.com, so let's talk about it. Now, you did move sideways here previously, up, down, up, a little bit down, up, and this like that. And yes, you're breaking out of a big, some sort of a parallel channel that you're breaking out of. And what I'm going to do is, just put in a nice, good trend line over here, the resistance that you didn't break out of a very, very long time ago, which you already have done. And from here, that's really amazing. Really, really good. Everything played out perfect. The technical target has been met because, as a matter of fact, if you talk about the technical targets, you might consider taking this top to that bottom right over there. And considering from where you're breaking out, you place it. And we didn't really quite reach the target just yet. There's a little bit of chance to go to the 98.9881. There's a little bit of a pump maybe that can happen because we didn't met the target. There's a little bit of chance to go to the upside. All right, so that's the end of the story, okay? That's the end of the story. At least in the short term, a little bit good. But in the long term, in the bird's view, if I try to go in for the weekly, there is an issue, my friend. There's an issue. Or let's just say there's a suspense and an issue. Two things, okay? So here we are. Is Tron on a higher time frame trying to put a double bottom right like this, a W, and go to the upside? That's amazing. I'm going to give you a little bit of scenarios for you to understand about Tron. First thing right off the bat that I want to show you is a trend line and a resistance. So if I take this upper resistance like this, all you did maybe Tron is just trying to fish everyone. Maybe it's just trying to, do you know when you go to a river and then you do a bait to get the fish, Maybe it's just trying to fish people to drop them to the downside, because Bitcoin on a higher time frame is not really bullish. I'm going to tell you that. Watch the Bitcoin updates if you're new to the channel. I do have the updates, and keep watching them. On a higher time frame, Bitcoin isn't good. On a higher time frame, Tron is going to the resistance. And we also have the lower support, and that's why I say the upper resistance is an issue. The lower support is a suspense because you are not really breaking it. Now, you can even say that Tron is trying to put in a big, huge pennant like this to go to the upside. And let's say you break out of it, then you're looking to come down to these levels, which is going to be the 3994. Let me just tell you that right off the bat. That's where you're going to be looking to take, because it's simple, symmetrical triangle trading. You break to the downside, you go back to where you formed the triangle. Very simple, no big fancy stories. Now, let's say that doesn't happen because we didn't get the direction. We haven't really broken to the upside, and we're not even breaking to the downside either. It's still an apex that is coming within a next couple of weeks. Anytime it can break out. Now, if it does break out, right? If it does break out, and there's, you see, right over here, we are near the end of the apex. There is a room for a fake out and then go to the downside. I can tell you that, okay, on a weekly time frame. So I'm going to be extra careful. Now, let's say Tron ever comes up to this level, to the 1-1 something level. That's where the resistance really is. you really need to cross like the 1 1 level, 0.11, like 11 cents, and hold it for us to even say that this is your potential double bottom. And then from there, the next technical targets could be up here to the 15s, 16s, and the 17s. Okay, that will be amazing. But anyway, I just wanted to bring this information and just tell you to be very careful with Tron out there. I don't know. I'm not confident in anything on a higher time frame. Maybe on a short time frame, like one to. If you're a trader, you don't have to give a damn, right? You don't have to give a damn if Tron is gonna go to the 0.033 or to the 0.17. You just want to take your profits and run away. You understand that? So that's the end of this update today. Let's see what it does. I'm just going to leave this symmetrical triangle the way it is. The apex is coming actually by 12th of September this year. Maximum time, actually it can break at any time, maybe this month, maybe next month, but it's going to take a couple of time. Is it going to be a leech and suck your blood, or is it going to be a superstar and break to the upside? We're going to get the answer. But anyway, I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.